Welcome to the channel and welcome to the series where I bring you motorcycles of Goa. Not just any motorcycles, super bikes, custom bikes, exotic bikes and some retro bikes as well. So subscribe and follow for more. और आज हमारे पास है the mighty Kawasaki Z900. Priced at around 9.40 lakh Indian rupees. This is a 948cc inline 4 motorcycle, producing 123.64 bhp at 9500 rpms and max torque of 98.6 Newton meters at 7700 rpm. It weighs around 220 kgs. What's the top speed, you ask? More than 200 kilometers per hour for sure. Well, all this sounds nice, but you know what sounds better? This motorcycle. So let's hear it now and go for a short ride.
Bonus.
Hello.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
ऐसे ही और वीडियोस के लिए जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर देना चैनल को एंड कमेंट, लाइक, शेयर, all those good things. I'll see you in the next video.